Well, it's Thursday night, and it's a absolutely beautiful day and a beautiful evening. Just came out to listen to the birds. There was some robins here in the tree. All I can hear now is traffic going by. Well, they're keeping pretty quiet right now. So this has been a complete waste of time. So I'm over here so you can listen to the beautiful sounds of traffic. That's like somebody dragging a whole muffler down the road. It's dragging awful. So beautiful sounds. Oh God. Well, we know that spring is almost here. We've had the robins, and they've been over and chirping it up pretty good. So we must be getting real close now. There's virtually there's no snow left anywhere. It's all pretty much dried up. That's all that remains of Snowman. He made it to the very end, though. Have a good day.